So there's an example of a new client that we have been working with for about a year now. They're in the cell and gene industry, and they were so frustrated that they could not trust that the work was being done. And they had a lot of turnover at the account, so they had to spend a lot of extra time after hours even retraining new GMP cleaners, and this became just a nightmare for them. They wanted to focus on their medicine, they wanted to get this medicine to their patients, they wanted to see success around that, that was their goal, and yet they were spending all of their time managing their GMP cleaners that maybe were not showing up. So when we came in, we were able to find the right people. We paid them the right wage. We empowered them with training and tools and accountability. So we provide all of the support, all of the tools to make them as successful as possible and loyal to the job site.